Allrecipes member Alma Lou submitted this recipe for Homestyle potato chips, saying, "Making Homestyle potato chips is fun and easy. Guaranteed they won't last long." First, you'll need to peel 4 medium potatoes. Russets are a good choice. They'll get nice and crisp when deep fried. Use a food processor with a slicing attachment or a mandoline to slice the potatoes into paper-thin rounds. Place the potato slices into a large bowl of cold water as you slice them to avoid browning. Once all the potatoes are sliced, drain and rinse them. Then refill the bowl with water and add 3 tablespoons of salt. Let the potatoes soak in the salty water for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, drain the potatoes, rinse, and then drain again. It's important to rinse them well to remove the excess starch. Be sure to blot dry the potatoes before you fry them to avoid splattering. Heat a quart of oil in a deep fryer to 365 degrees. Peanut oil adds excellent flavor, but you can also use safflower, corn, or vegetable oil. Fry the potato slices in small batches. Once they start turning golden, remove them and drain the potato chips on paper towels. Continue to fry the potatoes in batches until all of the slices are fried. One Allrecipes member made a great suggestion. I placed fried chips onto a paper towel-lined cookie sheet and kept in the oven at 275 degrees until all the batches were fried. Came to the table hot and crispy. Season with additional salt before serving.